Alright, so I've just purchased this laptop, Acer Aspire Switch 10, from this eBay seller. You know who you are, you're probably watching this video right now. And what I wanted to show you is this. As you can see, the sound is on the maximum volume, but it doesn't play, it doesn't work. Let me just show you an example. There's no sound whatsoever. Go here, and I'll type in baby Justin Bieber. Yep, there you go. You can see there's no sound at all. There should be a sound. Yeah. Yep, there's no sound, as you can see. And then, hang on a minute. When I close this, and then I go here, you can also see that it's on the maximum volume. But it doesn't matter where I press, there's no sound whatsoever. I can't hear any sound whether I do this from the side or whether I use that. It's a brand new computer that it just arrived today. Let me just open it. You probably can't see this, can you? Yeah, you can't see this. I've tried troubleshooting, playing the audio. It's a brand new laptop that just arrived today from you. And I'm not a happy bunny because the sound doesn't work. And I paid just over £200 for it. I'm not happy about it. I would like a fix, otherwise I'd like a refund, please. Because the sound should work, and the fact that the sound doesn't work. Look at this, playtest sounds. See, I didn't hear anything. Yeah, I've already done this. I've done this before. I restarted everything. It doesn't work. So, this is quite a big issue, obviously. And I wanted to bring this to your attention. If you can help me fix this in any way, I would really appreciate it. Thank you.